VIENNA Reuters. The opening men's race of the World Cup Alpine skiing season, the giant slalom in the Austrian resort of Soden, was cancelled on Sunday because of high winds, organizers said. The International Skiing Federation FIS said the wind was extremely powerful, with gusts of up to 120 km per hour measured at a nearby weather station. This makes it impossible to hold a safe World Cup event. Therefore, the jury decided to cancel the race, added the FIS in a statement. "Safety comes first. We had no other choice than to cancel," said FIS chief race director Marcus Waldner. Under FIS rules, the race will not be rescheduled. Writing by Brian Homewood and Burn, editing by Claire Filonor. Standards: The Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.